Okay, so we're going to be looking at question 2 of the textbook. A vessel is travelling at 7 knots from R at 1300 hours. Plot and states estimated position at 1400 hours if it follows a true bearing course of, and there's a variety of degrees there. So what I like to do first is I like to put true north in from that point, and I'm going to go points and draw some lines. So I'm going to do that first. So I put 0 on R, and I find 180 degrees, 270 degrees, remember looking at that inside circle, 225 degrees, and 260 degrees. So I found those 4 points, and I'm going to rule a line joining those bearings. So that shows you the 4 different courses of that vessel. So I go back and I have a look, and it's travelling at 7 knots. So at R, I'm going to put a circle, it's our original position, at 1300 hours. And it travels for 1 hour to make it 1400 hours. So if it's travelling at 7 knots actually means 7 nautical miles an hour. And that's 1 hour from 13 to 14. So it's actually travelling 7 nautical miles. So I'm going to find 7 on our scale up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to measure it with my ruler. So that is roughly 6.9 centimetres. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to find 6.9 centimetres on those lines and show their current positions. Do the same thing here. Again, 6.9. It's a little bit off. Now, because they're asking for its estimated position, you're going to have to go through and do a longitude and a latitude. So from each of those points, what I'd encourage you to do is rule a line to join up the longitude of each of those points. Oh, wrong points here. And then do the latitude of each of those points. And from there you will find their rough positions using dead reckoning. So I'll go through those points. So at 180, I'll put this up here, we have got 20 degrees, 7 minutes south, and we have 149 degrees, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 minutes east. For 270, we have 20 degrees, 0.2 minutes south, and we have 149 degrees, 7.2 minutes east. For 225, which is here, we have 20 degrees, 5.2 minutes south, and 149 degrees, and 6, 7, 8, 9 minutes east. And lastly, for 260, which is here, we have 20 degrees, 1.5 minutes south, and we have 149 degrees, 7.2 minutes east. And that's how you solve question 2.